Alright, hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to tell you how to replace the sky in an image. So let's say your sky looks way too dull and boring, and you want to put in a more interesting sky in there. So you can use this technique to replace the sky in basically any image. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial. Now, one thing to keep in mind here is that your sky should actually blend in with the shot, because in the end we want the whole effect to look natural, and if your sky looks artificial, that's just gonna kill the whole effect. So yeah, now let's jump into Photoshop. So you want to start off by selecting the objects in your frame other than the sky. Once you're done selecting all of it, you want to click on this mask icon right here. Now, as you can see, it just brought in this new sky over here. Now, this new sky doesn't quite look perfect. So what you want to do at this point is that you want to color grade the top layer to make everything seem even more natural and make everything sort of blend in. And there you go, that's how you can replace a sky inside of Adobe Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And make sure you watch out for my next video.